Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having guys a Kia vehicle. If you guys have a Kia vehicle and your AC system does not work, AC doesn't work, you have a bad AC switch, stay with us. We'll explain how bad AC switch can actually make your system not work, make your AC compressor not to turn on. We'll explain where it's located and how to safely replace one. If you don't follow one certain procedure, you can severely hurt yourself and you can guys release the Freon in the atmosphere, which is illegal, and there is a huge fine for that. So stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Even though we're demonstrating on Kia Optima, the video might be helpful on multiple Kia models. Some of those could be Kia Optima, Forte, Sportage, Sorento, Kia Soul and Kia Rio as well. So let's explain how to do that now. So as I said, this should work on multiple models Kia. Now let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you guys, free videos. Now if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. And another thing guys, check out our main YouTube channel. It's called How to Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars on future repairs, so check it out, subscribe. We're constantly pumping new content. So this right here specifically guys, 2013 Kia. Let's explain how the system works. You have the AC condenser, that's where the Freon cools. You guys have AC compressor, okay, that's right here. It's driven by the serpentine belt. On the front side you have a clutch that activates the AC compressor. So what tells the clutch to activate? Once you press the button inside guys, signal will be sent, okay, to the relays, to the fuses. The engine computer will calculate if you have enough pressure in the AC system to safely turn it on, and if the pressure is too much, it may not even turn it on. But what actually guys, okay, what controls that stuff? Okay, so let's explain. Right here we have it disconnected, but right here guys, you're going to have on the high pressure AC line, usually that's the thin one, you're going to have a device like that. You need to find it. Sometimes it might be somewhere here, sometimes it may be towards the back of the engine. So that device, it's known as an AC pressure switch, okay, this one right here. What it does, it detects how much pressure you have in the system, so it detects if you have enough Freon to safely turn the compressor by activating the clutch. But if it's malfunctioning, your AC system will not work. Now, how do you guys replace that thing? On most Kia vehicles guys, you have to drain the AC system before you replace it, and you cannot just release it in the atmosphere. It's recommended to take it to a shop where they can service AC, air conditioners. They hook it to a machine and they vacuum all the Freon out. That way you don't release it in the atmosphere and you can reuse it again. Another thing guys, okay, if you release it in the atmosphere, it's going to kill the ozone and you guys can get a huge fine for that. And third, you can severely hurt yourself if you forget to empty the system, because it will be under enormous amount of pressure. So how you guys replace it? Okay, pretty simple. You need to go ahead, okay, disconnect the wire, okay. Now on the bottom side, we're going to hold it. Usually you have a place where you can hold it with a wrench. In our case it's an 18mm wrench, and on top we're going to get it with a big socket. Ours is 24. It's important to hold on the bottom with a wrench, otherwise you can break your AC line. So we go ahead, start getting it loose, perfect, and remove it. And this guys right here, it's that AC pressure switch. So this is it guys, not too complicated. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't hesitate guys. We'll try to make a video for your problem if we have time. Thank you for watching and see you next time.